Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on July 12. 1543. Henry VIII marries his last wife, Catherine Parr. On July 12, 1543, King Henry VIII of England married his sixth and final wife, Catherine Parr. She was gentle, wise, and cared deeply for Henry's children from past marriages. Unlike his other wives, Catherine outlived him, which was rare. At the time, Henry was old and sick, and Catherine acted more like a caretaker than a queen. She supported education and especially pushed for women's learning. Their marriage lasted until Henry died in 1547. 1812. America tries to take Canada. On July 12, 1812, General William Hull led American troops into Canada from Detroit during the War of 1812. The US wanted to grab land from the British, hoping for an easy win, but the invasion didn't go well. Hull hesitated, panicked, and soon gave up Detroit without much of a fight. It was a disappointing start to the war for the US. This event showed just how quickly plans can fall apart in battle. 1862. The US creates the Medal of Honor. On July 12, 1862, the US Congress officially approved the Medal of Honor, the highest military award for bravery. President Abraham Lincoln signed the law during the Civil War. The medal is given to those who show extreme courage in combat, even at great personal risk. Over the years, thousands of brave soldiers have earned it. It stands as a powerful symbol of heroism and sacrifice. The tradition started with this act of Congress. 1917. The Bisbee Deportation shocks America. On July 12, 1917, over 1,300 miners in Bisbee, Arizona, were forcefully rounded up during a labor strike. They were protesting dangerous working conditions and low pay. Armed men kidnapped them, packed them into trains, and dumped them in the New Mexico desert. This harsh act became known as the Bisbee Deportation. It shocked the country and sparked debate about workers' rights. It's still remembered as one of America's worst labor crackdowns. 1962. The Rolling Stones make their debut. On July 12, 1962, a band called the Rolling Stones played their very first concert at the Marquee Club in London. They performed blues and rock songs with raw energy and passion. The small crowd had no idea they were watching music legends in the making. That night launched one of the greatest bands in rock history. From that stage, the Rolling Stones began their climb to global fame. It was the start of a wild, unforgettable journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.